So the question at hand is to find the 157th derivative of y, where y is the function sine of x. Now, to evaluate this problem, you need to evaluate a few derivatives of sine x and then get the pattern. And then from the pattern, it can help you to predict any other higher order derivatives. So let's see how we solve that. So y is given by sine of x. So the first derivative, if you get sine function, you get cos function. Differentiate cos function, you get negative sine function. Differentiate negative sine function, you get negative cos function. You differentiate negative cos, you get positive sine. And then when you go to the fifth derivative, now you get cosine of x. If you go to sixth derivative, negative sine. And seventh derivative, you get negative cos. Eighth derivative, you get sine of x. So we say this was the original function, sine x. Now after one step, second step, third step, and then fourth step, we are still getting the same function sine x. And also first step, second step, third step, and fourth step, we are getting the same function sine x. And so it tells us even if we go to the next, after another 4 steps, we'll also get sine x. So therefore, the derivatives of this function are actually cycling or are repeating. The value of the function itself is repeating after 4 steps of differentiation. So we say that the successive derivatives of y equals to sine x cycles among cosine of x, negative sine of x, negative cos of x, and then sine of x repeats itself in that order. So to get the 157th derivative of y, then we see that 156 is the closest multiple of 4 to this number 157. So which means when you get the derivative, the 156th derivative of f of x, the answer will be sine x. So which means the 157th derivative given by d dx of the 156th derivative, which is the same as d dx of sine of x. And then when you differentiate sine x, you get cosine of x. So therefore, the 157th derivative of the function sine of x is given by cos of x. So this is the answer to that given problem. Thank you.